Encourage family time, work on hand-eye coordination, or just show your friends who are the true champ with the Rally and Roar Ultimate Handheld Foosball Set. Rally and Roar is a company whose mission is to bring you and your loved ones a variety of fun and challenging games that can be enjoyed indoors or outdoor, with family, friends, or even just with your partner in crime. Enjoy a simple twist on classic foosball with this mini tabletop soccer bar game. Built with premium products and sturdy construction, it will hold up to even the most competitive and roughest of crowds. Each rod is 1/2 steel-plated chrome with ergonomic rubber handles for a smooth and sturdy grip. With ABS-constructed playing pieces that spin swiftly and effortlessly, along with smooth turf and foam-padded legs, this game is the perfect combination of perfect playing conditions and safe and easy maneuvering. Lightweight and easy to set up and break down, you all find yourself bringing this arcade set to many gatherings. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Never-ending entertainment, a miniature version of the classic foosball game. The tabletop soccer version is just as fun and challenging. Popular and easy to play, this interactive game for 2 to 4 people is great for families and adults to play. Number 2. Pre-assembled players, simple to play. This mini foosball soccer set is compact so you can literally take it to any party, barbecue, bar, tailgate, camping trip, or get together. Prop it on a flat surface, and you are good to go. Number 3. Mini size, huge results. This multifunctional foosball tabletop kit might be lightweight and compact, but at 40 inches by 20 inches by 9 inches, this spacious surface allows 2 players plenty of room to play standard foosball. Number 4. Sturdy, heavy-duty. This stationary foosball board exemplifies a superior, long-lasting build. With 1/2 diameter chrome-plated, steel rods, and non-slip rubber handles, players always feel in control. It also includes 2 authentic foosball. Number 5. Versatility and elegance. Unlike many transportable foosball boards that are made strictly for fun, the Rally and Roar tabletop hand soccer game is a quality design, intended to add excitement to any basement, game room, man cave, bar, arcade, or patio. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.